Good morning, dear students. In the previous video lectures, the last two lectures I have discussed about the questions based on angles, and I have given you the explanation for the questions that were in our exercise, right? Now, today I will be discussing four more sums which will be based on mostly vertically opposite angle. Two of the problems are based on vertically opposite angle, and two of the problems are based on linear pair, that is a straight line angle that is equal to 180 degree. Now question number 14, as you all can see, subpart A, or you say subpart 1, is given in such a way that we have a straight line and one of the angles, adjacent angles are there, 2x, and this is equal to 4x. Here it is marked as LOM, and here we are having N. These are the rays, right? Now they are asking find the value of x. As you all can see, it is forming a straight line, so this sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. That is a straight line angle. Now this type of angles is also called as linear pair. Linear pair means the word linear, L-I-N-E-A-R, linear. Linear means line. Okay, line, single line pair. Single line pair. There are two angles, so they are forming a one pair, and linear means in one line we are having two angles. So linear pair, so we can say 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Reason we will write, either we can write straight line angles, or we can say linear pair angles. Now this will be equal to 6x equal to 180, x will be equal to 180 by 6. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. They are asking you to find out the value of x, so you will find x is equal to 30 degree. Now if I have to find out 2x, then it will be 2 into 30 degree, 60 degree, and 4x will be equal to 4 into 30 degree is equal to 120 degree. So in this way we will solve question number 14, subpart 1. Now in the same way we have subpart 2 also, in which it is given as this angle, and what here, L, O, M, and P. So these are the rays, and one more thing is given, that is angle LON plus angle MOP is equal to 80 degree. That means this and this angle sum is equal to 80 degree. That means we can say LON, angle LON plus angle NOP plus angle MOP is equal to 180 degree. That is straight line angle. We can write the reason, yes or no? Now this angle plus this angle sum is given equal to 80 degree, so I can write 80 degree plus angle NOP is equal to 180 degree. Angle NOP So in this way you will find out the value of angle NOP. So I hope it is clear. You won't have any problem in calculating the value of NOP. Now I will clear the board so that I will be able to solve the remaining two sums. Question number 19, subpart 1. 19 subpart 1, we are having one straight line like this, right? So here we are having 4x degree, here we are having 2x, here we are having 6x. Now they are asking you to calculate the value of x, and I will be calculating the value of x as well as the exact values of the angles. Now as you can see, this is forming an x here complete, there is no bend. So if this is 6x, so obviously this also will be equal to 6x degree. Now we can see that 4x plus 6x plus of 2x is equal to 180 degree. Reason will be straight line angle, right? Now 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12x. Therefore x is equal to 15 degree. So similarly we can write 4x is equal to 4 into 15, 60. 6x is equal to 6 into 15. Then we have 2x, that is equal to 30. 2x means 2 into 15, 30. So 9 plus 6, 150, 150 plus 30, 180. So this is the way you will be calculating the values of x. So here you will write this angle is equal to 6x because of vertically opposite angle. You have to name that. And then we have second part, that again it is in the case of vertically opposite angle. Here we are having 2x and here we are having x. Here we are having 2x, here we are having x. So as you all can see, it is a straight line, linear pair. So you can say 2x plus x is equal to 180, 3x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 60 degree by division form. Therefore 2x is equal to 60 into 2, 120 degree, and x already you have found that is equal to 60 degree. Now if they ask you what is the value of this angle, so this is vertically opposite angle, so this will also be equal to 60, this will be equal to 120 degree, and already we have found 120, this already we have found 60 degree. So in this way you are going to calculate the values of x and 2x values, and then vertically opposite angle, linear pair. So I have gone through all the numerical problems of this exercise, and I found that there is no much difficulty in calculating the numerical problems. All the sums are very easy and simple, and I hope if you have gone through the exercise, I hope if you have gone through the examples and through the video lectures, that I have been uploading, you won't have faced any problems in calculating the numericals and solving the numericals and getting the answers correctly. With this we finished our this chapter angle. Now I will be seeing which chapter is left for your quarterly exam. That only I will be discussing in the next video lecture. Thank you.